Welcome to our company. How can I help you? I want to start trading in share market. Do you know about trading? No. Do you know about share market or commodity? No. Can you allot 9 to 5 time daily for trading? No. Do you know that trading is subject to market risk? No. Please choose other option like mutual fund, deposit, bond, etc. Thanks. I will think about it. This guy looks like he has enough knowledge in investments. I shall ask for his help. Are you a trader in stocks and shares? Do you know about the share market?
No, I am not a trader. I have no much knowledge about investments, but I earn maximum profits daily.
How is it possible? Could you please tell me how?
If we have no proper idea or knowledge, we have no full time for this, we don't have to take more risk, so go with daily get plan, where get daily profit in account. I will show you how it works. Unit wallet, DNV wallet, maturity wallet. First of all, we start by investing a minimum of 10,000 rupees, that is 1 unit. We can also invest more, as suitable. So, if I invest 5 lakhs, I get 50 units in this plan. The company invests the entire fund in trading and earn daily profit. The company decides the daily unit value called the DNV value. In the daily get plan, if I have invested in 50 units and today's DNV value is 152 rupees. So profit for today is 7,600 rupees. The expected result calculation is you can earn up to 40,000 rupees monthly with daily get unit plan.
Interesting. Even I want to invest in it. Please tell me how.
Okay, come with me.
How may I help you? I want to invest in the daily get plan. Please help. Best investment plan is daily get plan. No tension, no worries. Just get daily profits.